Artificial intelligence is not just changing technology, it is changing leadership. And in the next few minutes, I will explain to you through the published article at MIT Sloan Management Review that why AI demands an entirely new breed of leaders, and why organizations that fail to recognize this shift are setting themselves up for devastating failures. Welcome to JBLI Talks of the JBLI channel. Most companies still think AI transformation is a technical challenge. They hand it to the CIO, ask IT to deploy the system, and hope for the best. But here's the truth. AI is no longer a technology project. It's a human and organizational transformation. Modern AI is stepping into roles once filled only by people. Employees need reskilling, new mindsets, new behaviors. And leaders must understand complex organizational psychology, cultural dynamics, and emotional intelligence. Yet, the majority of today's technology leaders simply don't have the bandwidth or the mandate to drive this transformation. A global CIO survey reveals something shocking. 85% say CIOs are becoming change makers, but only 28% consider leading transformation a top priority. And 61% say they have less time for strategic responsibility than ever before. Meanwhile, 91% of data leaders say cultural resistance is the biggest barrier to AI adoption, not technology. This is the leadership gap no one is talking about. And when leadership fails to bridge this gap, the results can be disastrous. Remember Zillow? Their AI-powered home buying system collapsed, costing them $300 million and wiping out 20% of their market value because they treated AI as a technology project, not a strategic, human-centric transformation. Or look at California State University's 2025 AI Integration Plan, a grand strategic vision backed by leading AI companies. Yet within days, it faced fierce resistance from staff and students. Why? Because the human implications were ignored. Air Canada deployed a generative AI chatbot. It misinformed grieving passengers about lost fares, creating frustration and emotional harm in moments where empathy was needed most. This is not a technical failure. This is a leadership failure, a failure to understand AI's human interface, personality, and ethical boundaries. All of these examples point toward one truth. AI requires a new kind of leader, someone beyond the CIO or CTO. Someone who understands innovation, transformation, human psychology, ethics, culture, and technology together. We call this leader the CITO, the Chief Innovation and Transformation Officer. The CITO is not just a technology leader, not just a business strategist, not just a change manager. The CITO is the bridge between human and machine, between culture and algorithms, between innovation and ethics. Forward-thinking organizations have already started building this role. PepsiCo appointed a Chief Strategy and Transformation Officer. Standard Chartered created a Chief Technology Operations and Transformation Office. JP Morgan Chase formed a governance structure connecting AI directly to values, ethics, and strategic purpose. Even job descriptions in 2025 are evolving. Roles demanding leadership across AI, ethics, human behavior, cultural change, process redesign, customer experience, and innovation, all under one umbrella. This is the beginning of the CITO era. Why do we need this new leadership model? Because AI leaders must now navigate complex ethical landscapes, foster deep cultural transformation, manage human AI collaboration, drive cross-functional integration, govern citizen development, ensure responsible innovation, and shape the personas that will represent the organization. Yes, AI personas. We are entering a world where companies will deploy AI workers, digital personalities with specific skills, traits, and decision-making authority. They might be a strategic advisor, a customer service agent, a digital HR coach, a financial analyst, or even a creative partner. These AI personas will interact with customers, employees, clients, and the wrong persona, the wrong tone, the wrong decision can break trust instantly. Managing this ecosystem requires a leader who understands both humans and AI psychology. This is the CITO's domain. The CITO shapes AI behavior, AI rules, human AI workflows, ethical guardrails, and responsible innovation frameworks. They ensure AI doesn't just work, but works responsibly, humanly, and strategically. We are standing at the most significant leadership inflection point since the Industrial Revolution. AI is not just automating tasks, it is shaping identity, culture, workflows, power structures, and competency. Organizations that continue to treat AI as an IT project will fail. Organizations that embrace AI leadership as a human transformation will thrive. And that leadership will come from the office of the Chief Innovation and Transformation Officer, the CITO. At the JBLI, we are shaping conversations that prepare leaders for the future. If you want to understand the leadership challenges and opportunities of the AI era, this is where you belong. This is JBAI Talks. This is the JBLI channel. And this is the future of leadership.